Himachal Pradesh all primary, pre-primary schools shut in Una till 25th May amid heat wave. KIIT World School, New Delhi hosts education fair in collaboration with EduTV. KIIT World School, Gurugram hosts splash pool party for moms and kids. Lady Shri Ram, Hansraj, Ranjas, other colleges receive bomb threat, nothing suspicious found. ISRO chairman inaugurates Amity ISRO joint workshop on artificial science, data analytics. Good afternoon, warm welcome. You are watching the Education News Network, where you get the latest developments in education at the top of this hour. This is Kiran Raj reporting from the Education News Network. Today's stories are: all government and private pre-primary and primary schools here will remain closed on May 24th and 25th following the heat wave, officials said on Thursday. This decision has been taken to protect children from the scorching heat, District Magistrate Jatin Lal said in an order. Una was the hottest in the state, recording a maximum temperature of 41.4 degrees Celsius on Thursday. The local Met Department has issued a yellow warning for the heat waves in isolated, low areas from May 25th to 27th. Lal said that there is a severe outbreak of heat wave in the schools in the district closed on May 24th and 25th, he said. KIIT World School, New Delhi in partnership with EduTV, hosted an education fair for senior secondary students. The event featured representatives from prominent institutions such as BML Munjal University, Universal AI University, Shobit University, and World University of Design. A workshop by Kanam consultants focused on undergraduate programs abroad, covering admissions, eligibility, and scholarships. Students interacted directly with university representatives, gaining insights into academic programs, campus life, and the importance of education in fostering global citizenship and cross-cultural understanding. The event highlighted the role of education in developing informed global citizens and emphasized cross-cultural understanding and collaboration in the global economy. Students also learned about the culture and campus life at foreign universities through personal experiences shared by the representatives. KIIT World School, Gurugram organized a splash pool party for moms and kids, providing an enjoyable break from the daily routine. The event, held at the school's swimming pool area, was a memorable and vibrant gathering. The party kicked off with a warm welcome by the school principal Dr. Nilima Kamra, who emphasized the importance of family bonding and outdoor activities for children's development. The pool area was creatively decorated with colorful decorations, adding to the festive atmosphere. Throughout the event, various fun-filled activities were arranged for both moms and kids. This party was held to strengthen the bond between mothers and their children. A lively poolside dance session saw enthusiastic participation from everyone. A variety of delicious snacks and refreshing beverages were available, ensuring that everyone stayed energized and hydrated throughout the day. The school also ensured safety was a top priority. Parents appreciated the meticulous planning and the range of activities that catered to both children and adults. Over a dozen colleges, including Delhi University's prestigious Lady Shri Ram College, Hansraj College and Ranjas College, received bomb threats on Thursday, but nothing suspicious was found after thorough searches, officials said, a day after a similar email sent alarm bells ringing in the North Block. A Delhi Fire Service (DFS) official said they first received a call at 4:38 p.m. about the bomb threat at the LSR College, and 2 fire tenders were pressed into service. Later, other colleges also made the call to authorities. The local police, a bomb disposal squad, a bomb detection team arrived but nothing suspicious was found, the official said. ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization, Chairman S. Somanath, along with his team of 25 scientists, visited Amity University in Bangalore today for a joint workshop focused on artificial intelligence. The workshop showcased the research achievements of both ISRO and Amity University. The vision of this collaboration is to advance space research and technology. Prakash Chauhan, Director of the National Remote Sensing Center in Hyderabad, Sudhir Kumar, Director of Capacity Building and Public Outreach at ISRO, and several scientists from Amity University's campuses in Noida, Mumbai, and Raipur also attended the workshop. Aseem Chauhan, Chancellor of Amity University, added, "That's all for today. Thank you for watching Education News Network. For more such videos, log on to our website www.educationnewsnetwork. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.